Hey, what's up? I'm good. Can I get some propane?
Yes, sir.
All right.
The fuck is in there?
My house.
The fuck? Hey!
Want to check it out?
Yeah, I gotta see this shit. Let's look in.
Step right up, man.
Ah, damn, bro. What's happening? Yeah, you don't want to mess with this. Damn, bro.
You like it?
Hell yeah.
It's kind of like it's not really set up right now because I'm traveling, you know what I mean? I'm moving around.
I feel you, brother.
But I got, I got to put my stove out. I let the dog out, and I put, there's a lot of shit that's just kind of.
Hey, that's pretty sick, bro.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Pablo, I bought you some stuff, bro. This is yours. You want to see what's in here? You want me to open it for you? Okay, let's open it. Hold on. Are you excited? Are you excited? Yeah. Pablo, we got you this. It's a harness. I need some lighting up in here. Look. Look at this cool thing, bro. You're gonna love this. You wanna try it on? Do you want to try it on, Pablo? Look, it's got a handle so I can lift you up. And it's got pouches. Look, it's got pouches, Pablo, so you could put like your cell phone in here or whatever. I don't know what dogs carry in their pouches. You could put some doggy bones in there or like your cell phone. I don't know how to put this on, but we're going to give it a whirl. Are you excited? This is for you, and it matches your skin tone. Oh, he's so excited. Okay, I'm going to try it on. Let me get you a treat. Do you want one of these? Leave it. Are you a good boy? He hasn't moved. Okay, get it. He's scared to move. Okay, get it. The thing is loose on him, so it's not like it's pinching him or anything. He's never had a harness on before. That looks good on you, buddy. What else did I get Pablo? When his regular bowl is empty, what he does is he picks it up and he does this. And so now he'll be doing this. So I got him two. One for his water and one for his food. And these things are very rugged. And then the other thing that I got him, I really spoiled him this time. Look at this leash. Are you excited about your leash? You're not going to chew it, are you? No more of this. Now it'll be this. Much better. Down. There's the harness. I went ahead and tightened the harness. Or not tightened it, but adjusted it better. What do you think, Pablo? Do you like it?
He hates everything.